This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever wondered why your Audi seems to consume more fuel than expected, even when you're not driving aggressively? Do you feel like you're doing everything right, but your fuel gauge keeps dropping faster than it should? What if the real issue isn't your car, but a small habit you repeat every single day without realizing it? Because today, we're going to uncover one of the biggest fuel-wasting mistakes Audi drivers make, and once you see it, you won't be able to ignore it anymore. Modern Audi engines are incredibly efficient. They are designed to optimize fuel usage under normal conditions. But here is exactly where the problem lies. They depend heavily on how you drive, and one specific habit can completely destroy that efficiency. Imagine this. You're driving through the city. Traffic lights, short distances, constant stops. You accelerate, then brake, then accelerate again. Feels normal, right? But behind the scenes, your engine is constantly switching between fuel-heavy cycles. Every time you press the accelerator too aggressively, your Audi injects more fuel than necessary to deliver instant power. And then you brake, wasting all that energy. That's where the fuel disappears. Before we go deeper, if you want to stop wasting money on fuel, unlock hidden Audi features, and improve your driving efficiency, make sure to subscribe. It's free, and it helps you stay ahead of what most drivers never learn. Now here's the key concept you need to understand. Fuel efficiency is not about speed, it's about consistency. The more stable your driving pattern is, the less fuel your engine needs to compensate. And in the next part, we're going to show you exactly how to change this habit in a simple way and start saving fuel immediately.
Now let's break down the exact habit that is quietly increasing your fuel consumption every single day. Aggressive micro-acceleration. This is something almost every driver does, especially in city traffic. You press the accelerator quickly to gain speed over short distances, even when you don't need to. And your Audi responds instantly. It feels responsive, it feels powerful, but it's extremely inefficient. Why? Because every sharp acceleration requires a surge of fuel injection. Your engine delivers more power than necessary, and then you immediately reduce speed again. That extra fuel? Gone. Now here's what you should do instead. Progressive acceleration. Instead of pressing the pedal quickly, apply smooth, gradual pressure. This allows your Audi to build speed efficiently without triggering excessive fuel injection. The difference may feel small, but over time, it's massive, because your engine stays in a more efficient operating range. And now combine that with something even more powerful: anticipation. Look ahead. If you see traffic slowing down, don't accelerate just to brake again. Let the car glide, maintain momentum. This reduces unnecessary acceleration cycles, which is where most fuel is wasted. Now let's add one more layer: gear behavior. In automatic Audi transmissions, aggressive driving keeps the car in lower gears longer. That means higher RPM and more fuel consumption. Smooth driving allows earlier gear shifts and lower fuel usage. And in the next part, we're going to combine everything into one simple system, plus one hidden trick that most drivers never use. Now let's put everything together and unlock the final piece that most Audi drivers completely ignore, because this is where real fuel saving actually begins. Driving flow. Most people think saving fuel means driving slower, but that's not true at all. Fuel efficiency is not about speed, it's about consistency. Every unnecessary acceleration, every sudden brake, every stop-and-go cycle forces your engine to consume more fuel than needed. Your Audi is engineered to perform best under stable conditions. But when your driving is unpredictable, your engine constantly adjusts. And those adjustments cost fuel. So what you really want is a controlled, fluid driving style. Start with smooth acceleration and maintain a controlled, steady pace. Stable speed, minimal braking. This alone can already reduce fuel consumption significantly. Now let's go deeper. Coasting. This is one of the most powerful techniques you can use, and most drivers completely ignore it. When you release the accelerator early, instead of accelerating until the last moment and then braking, your Audi can maintain momentum using minimal energy. That means less fuel injection, less engine load, and more efficiency. Think about this scenario. You see a red light ahead. Most drivers keep accelerating, then brake hard. But a smarter approach is to release the accelerator earlier and let the car glide. You reduce fuel usage and also reduce brake wear. Now here's something even more important. Engine load stability. Your engine consumes fuel most efficiently when it operates within a steady range. Every sudden demand for power forces the system to inject extra fuel. That's why aggressive driving feels powerful, but costs more. So your goal is simple. Keep your driving as stable as possible. Avoid unnecessary spikes. Maintain a predictable rhythm. Now take a moment and think about your daily driving habits. How often do you accelerate just to reach the next red light? How often do you brake harder than necessary? How often do you restart the same acceleration cycle over and over again? These small actions seem insignificant, but they add up fast, and that's where your fuel disappears. Now combine everything we've covered. Avoid aggressive acceleration, build speed progressively, anticipate traffic, maintain momentum, use coasting, keep engine load stable, and suddenly, your Audi becomes a completely different machine, more efficient, more refined, less expensive to drive. But there's another benefit most people don't realize. Reduced mechanical wear. Smooth driving reduces stress on your engine, transmission, and braking system. That means fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, and longer vehicle lifespan. So you're not just saving fuel, you're protecting your car. This is not a mechanical upgrade. This is a behavioral upgrade. And the results are real. Over weeks and months, you'll notice fewer fuel stops, smoother driving, and more money saved. And the best part? You didn't change your Audi. You changed how you use it. If you found this useful, subscribe for more Audi hidden features, fuel-saving strategies, and performance tips. And now, watch the next episode to discover a hidden Audi mode that can reduce fuel consumption even further.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.